Hey, this is Daniel with Thompson & Sons. We have a new project here that we're getting drawings and measurements and shooting grade for. It's going to be basically a 3-part project, but I want to walk through it real quick for you guys and for myself so we can look back and see exactly what we were walking through at the time. And so they have absolutely nothing back here right now. It's totally blank slate, just moved in. So that's what we like. We like where we can just work in, come in, and just create something, you know, beautiful with the project. So we're gonna do full fence line beds all the way around, just to kind of, you know, give you something to look at rather than just this fence. We're gonna start right in here, come around, we'll come out, come around, remove all this grass. We're gonna leave the bird feeders and bird bath. We're gonna incorporate that, so we'll kind of come around like this, come back in, and then just shoot across here to leave this open. We'll do an ornamental landscape tree over here, and then obviously all this will be landscaped, and we'll have a plant list for that. And then bring it around, and it'll come all the way down to about here, and it'll just round off here. And that's because y'all let us know that y'all's focus wants to be this way. Y'all really aren't worried about looking at the houses and stuff, so we're not gonna spend a lot of money over there if that's not gonna be the way you're looking. In these, we're gonna incorporate dog-friendly plants because we know that y'all have a dog, and informed me that he chews up all the plants. So we'll keep that in mind. I noticed it's kind of tropical. You've got the split leaf, you've got the palms, the sagos, and everything out here. So we're gonna give you all that tropical, relaxing feeling with our plants. And then off the back of the existing patio, we're gonna have to build this up to match grade a little bit. So we'll bring in a select fill, compact that down. Edging all the way around, we're gonna do a semicircle shaped flagstone patio. We're gonna seal it so that it's not sticking to your shoes. You're not carrying decomposed granite in the house and stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and seal that. Lighting all the way around the patio, pathway lights, up lights on all the trees, and I'll get to that in a second. And the bird bath will also have up lighting, so you'll have lots of light to see out here and enjoy y'all's patio, you know, in the evening and after dark. So there's the patio, and then we're gonna just put a shade tree over here, give y'all some shade, kind of block the, it'll be right about here, right here, and we'll mulch it, make it look real pretty, and that'll give y'all some shade over there, and also kind of block that out, give y'all something to look at besides everybody else's houses. We're also going to do a small bed in front of the bedroom window. Y'all mentioned that y'all didn't like how it faces the neighbor's house, so right for that window we're going to do a small bed. I think we'll do, and we'll send plans on everything, but I think we'll do a crepe myrtle and then some planting around it in a nice circular mulch bed there. And then, like I said, all the trees will have up lighting, all the landscape lighting will be ran underground, and your main control box will be on the house on the timer. What else? And like I said, when we submit the design, there'll be a couple other things. I'm debating whether I want to do landscaping all the way around the patio, since it will be raised. You'll either have a slanted bit of grass there or landscaping, so I'm still deciding on that. But that's going to be the gist of the project. Do what?
Irrigation.
Oh, and all the irrigation repairs. Yeah. Well, all this will be moved out. We're gonna drip line in the bed so that you're not having to be out here trying to make sure all the plants stay alive. So that'll be in there as well. Yeah, and I think that's it. So that's the gist of the project. We'll send y'all the design with the video to kind of explain and walk through so that y'all understand. And that'll be it. And hopefully y'all enjoy it.